This is how you lose 25 pounds of body fat in the next 30 days by having one extremely easy meal as one of the meals per day. All you need to do is have a slow cooker and almost no knowledge on how to cook. So if that sounds like you, this is not only delicious, it is nutrient dense. It is going to help aid in regulating blood sugar levels. It's going to help you achieve better hormonal balance. And the best part is, the more often you eat it, the faster you can lose body fat. And you do not need to count calories. Take a full cabbage, cut it into quarters, throw it in a slow cooker, and then you're going to add bone broth. The brand I like is called Zoop. From there, you're going to add celery. You're going to add purple onions, carrots, and habanero peppers. And then this is really the key to making it very filling. You are going to add some type of 0-calorie noodle. These are called shirataki noodles. There's a brand name called Miracle Noodles. They don't taste as good as the house food brand, but if you add all of these together, this ends up with what is essentially a 0-calorie meal that boosts your metabolism. So what does that mean? If you eat something that is essentially 0 calories, but raises your metabolism, what do you think your body's going to metabolize? It's going to metabolize the fat on your body. So the more you eat, the more body fat you'll lose, and you're going to be full the entire time. Follow me, share this video if you want to learn more tips on how to melt body fat without counting calories.